Hello everyone, and welcome back to my video series on solving LeetCode problems. So now, next problem is reverse string. So what do I need to do? Write a function that reverses a string. The input string is given as an array of characters S. You must do this by modifying the input array in place with O1 extra memory. Okay. So what we can do is we can iterate over the array all the way to the middle and be like, hey, if this is the first position, replace the first with the last. If this is the second position, replace this one with the second last, all the way till we reach the middle. So I'm going to run this locally. Directory 344 reverse string. Both 344 reverse string. Solution.py. Solution and dot reverse string. Let me get the input. Hello. Okay, so for I is an integer that starts with 0, while I can even go start index and end index is also an integer that's equal to the length of s. So while start index is smaller than end index, what we do here is s of start index and s of end index is equal to the opposite. Okay. Good. Start index. Okay, I think that and now we just need to increment it. Plus equals 1 and index minus equals 1. Let me just put a breakpoint and see if this works. That's the next out of range. Oh yeah, length of s minus 1. Okay, so s is now hello reversed. I'm feeling confident. Let's submit it. Okay, memory was good. Runtime beats 32%. But you guys know that with LeetCode, if you just submit again, you might get better results. Or you might get worse. And I got worse. Let me check the solutions. Best solution, one way to reverse it. See, not a lot of people got upvotes on this one. 2 pointers easy. Beats 88%. Okay, let's go. Let's see. It's pretty much what I did. So I think I'm happy. Yes, this is what I did. Okay, I'm happy with this. So hope you guys enjoyed it. See you later.